The gas spoon. I need like a teaspoon. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Thank you. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna try to make some freaking edible slime using gummy bears. I just wanna let everybody know we've got a bit of an audience today, so we have a live audience. Can I get some clapping for the live audience? You suck! Got some hecklers. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna do the gummy bear. You wanna open that one?
There's scissors, babe. There's scissors.
She's eating it. Alright, so we're just gonna put. How much are we supposed to put in here? No, just do the bulk bags. So horrible. Okay. That was my favorite. Okay, so wait, I gotta pick up the gummy bear off the floor because AJ will eat it if he finds it. I'm gonna pee. Okay, no. Okay, well, JJ goes to the restroom. I'm gonna go ahead and get these warmed up in the microwave. Alright, so now we're gonna add some, what the hell is it?
How does it look when you come out of the oven?
Cornstarch. It looks,
is that enough?
Looks like this.
Too much?
Oh,
Not enough?
I think that's more than enough. So we're just gonna add that.
And then we put coconut oil?
Hold on, and it's supposed to use confectioner's sugar?
Did you already open this?
Yeah, I did. I was trying to get it ready.
Oh.
So I'm just spinning it around.
Always better to get it ready.
Oh, I don't like them either.
Alright, and then we're supposed to have the same amount of the confectioner's sugar.
Wow, that's really long.
It is. I'm trying to open this bag.
Just don't.
I'm not.
Scissors.
scissors.
What happened if this?
Oh no. Let's not think about that. Okay, you need a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Just a teaspoon
Okay.
of sugar.
You guys bought that big
I'm
one?
stuck.
You know.
That's one.
How's that song go? The medicine go down.
Medicine go down.
Just a spoon.
Spoonful.
I got a teaspoon.
I was trying to make it relevant to what we're doing.
It's getting really hard.
That's what she said.
Maybe coconut oil. I'm getting stuck.
To make it softer.
So you got
We have a lot of echoes back there.
a lot of coconut.
You know what this looks like?
You need more?
Wait. Love that out of time. You know what this looks like? You guys remember in Ghostbusters?
No.
The slime under the city? Look at it. It looks like the slime under the city.
Ectoplasm?
The ectoplasm, look at
I'm
it.
smart. This is edible?
Should I try it?
Yeah, really?
It's like Laffy Taffy.
Wait, let me have some more of the confectioner's sugar.
What's
Here.
supposed to make it softer?
We gotta be able to hold it, so I'm assuming that the sugar is what allows it to have like a coating on it, like kind of like marshmallows.
It tastes like gummy bears because I mean it's gummy bears.
I don't know. Okay, look, do you like how the confectioner's sugar's over there?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
I don't like this. Rubber bands.
Are you supposed to like mold it or something?
Well, it's like, I think that's what the confectioner's sugar does, is keeps it from...
Oh, this is so much
It
fun.
doesn't seem to be sticking.
I love making
together.
slime.
Oh, this, you know what this feels like now?
What does it feel like?
It feels like gum stuck to you. Grab it. It's not some balls, JJ. She's like, I was trying to see if it was gonna...
That shit fell hit the ground.
It kind of works like slime.
Try it.
I like it.
Right? It just tastes like a gummy bear.
It's a giant, it's like a mixed fruity gummy bear with coconut oil.
with coconut oil.
Should we do like Lady in the Tramp? Let's try it.
Oh. Yes. Oh my God. No way.
I can't breathe.
She inhaled it. Oh.
Ew, that looks so disgusting. Fuck your hair, dude. I mean, I guess that you could say it works for
Well, who did
for putty, for stucco,
get that recipe?
on Pinterest.
Pinterest.
Pinterest, nailed it! Pinterest mom. Okay, we'll be back with the next one. All right, this time we're gonna try to make slime using Elmer's Glue.
So it's not edible.
Yeah, don't forget that.
Not edible.
Some baking soda and some ice solution, and then JJ thought
Coloring.
since we couldn't find food coloring, we'd just add
Kool-Aid powder.
Kool-Aid for color.
Do you remember when you were a kid? Did you ever put it all over your hand?
Yes.
Let it dry, then peel it off.
Do we know how much baking soda we're supposed to put in here?
We know nothing.
Eat the cake. So next we're gonna add baking soda, but I don't know how much I'm supposed to add.
Let me find the recipe online. You pour 1 cup of glue into a bowl, which we did not. we were just on glue.
Okay, so we'll eyeball it.
Oh yeah, okay, it's 4 ounces, and that's 4 ounces. So that's
That's a cup.
a cup. So we're smart. 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
Okay.
It says add 3 drops of food coloring, but we don't have food coloring.
Do you want to add that first? The one.
Well, it says you have to, and then you mix it.
It says add 3 drops of food coloring. Optional.
Okay. Well, then it says mix well. And then after you mix it well, you add a tablespoon of the contact lens solution. We need a tablespoon.
And water.
You want to have ask me for you.
Oh, it squirted.
What is that? Ice solution?
Oh, look at.
Mix it.
Oh, look at it's working.
And then it's basically says to just keep adding this shit until you get the texture that you like.
Wait. Let's add some color to it because right now it's working. Oh, y'all talking shit back there, and look at us now.
Made slime.
Should we put more contact solution?
Yes, it says you keep adding it till you get the desired texture.
Okay.
Use some of those drops of mine.
Do you want more? It doesn't say anything about adding more baking soda. I don't know why you just added more baking soda.
All right. You want to grab it?
You want to put more?
No, because I think it's already
my hand?
Yeah, it's
Just add color, but everybody relax.
Thank you, Peanut Gallery.
Peanut.
Thank you.
Here.
That was that like
I'm
mac
on.
and cheese.
I'm on. Oh no.
Hey, do you want a beer? Yeah.
I thought it was gonna make like a farting.
Beer.
Oh shit! It's like slime, dude.
I mean, isn't that what we're making?
That's all I have.
But we did it.
Open it yourself.
Hey, babe!
Hey, baby!
Oh.
I made slime.
It works.
Guys, the internet was right.
I did it.
The internet was
Do you remember as a kid when you get that little piece piece of putty, or what was it called?
Play-Doh?
No, not Play-Doh. It was putty.
Silly putty.
Silly putty. Yes.
Bring out the letter.
Oh, dude, I'm
You
more.
don't like it? What'd you do with it?
I don't want to eat it.
Oh, that feels fun. Print out the letter.
Right? It's fun, guys.
Oh my god, this is so dope, yo. Oh, I want to do it like they do it online. How they get it and they're like, they do this, and then they go like this, and then they go like this.
Stevie could put it on a newspaper and pick up the word.
That's not that kind of stuff, though.
JJ, we did it! We did it! Oh my god. Alright guys, so it looks like this was a total success. We actually got it to work. Both the edible and the regular slime.
The edible was good.
It was tasty. Messy, but it was tasty.
A little hard.
Yeah, that one gets really hard. This one just seems to be very malleable. Well guys, we're gonna go ahead and leave you with this. I'll put the recipes in the description, so if you guys wanna try to do these, it's pretty simple, not too expensive. Just make sure to leave us a like and a subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Just get it at the bowl.
Oh, look at us, did it just like him!
Please. You just stick the tail. Thumbnail. Oh, that's the thumbnail.
It's about to get real X-rated.
I wanted to fart.
Ew.
What's that look like?
Put it under your arm.